Hi, welcome back to Trendlog Automation. This is part 2 of the video series. So in part 1, we went ahead and made 3 scripts. Those example scripts are this one. That was Control-Shift-1. That one, Control-Shift-2. Some here for Control-Shift-and-3. So now we're getting ready to go ahead and build a bunch of trends, and to start this process off, we just really want to go ahead and make sure that the scripts that we wrote are exactly what we were looking for. So just go ahead, give it one last review, make sure it's what you need, and then let's go ahead and build them out. So when it's time to build them out, what we want to do is, first thing, turn on all of your compiled scripts. You can see I have all 3 running down here in the bottom system tray. Then add multiple Trendlog builder, have that open, and also get your device manager open. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at this for this particular global. This global here, ACM 2201, has these 6 trunks on it. And these 4 trunks have VAV boxes on it. Then we could skip ahead to this one or that one and do its VAV boxes as well. This is great when done offline. All you need to have is your device manager done and then your scripts done. Okay, so we have a blank Trendlog builder here ready to go. Go add multiple Trendlogs. Put in our device instance range for the first trunk. And that is 2201 through 2201.20. Okay, we make sure we got our host device defined and our log handler defined. Then we hit our first hotkey. And it looks like it's getting ready to build about 100 trends. That's 20 devices and 5 trends a device. So go ahead and hit build, and I'll let that build. And then while this first trunk is building, I'm going to go ahead and open up second Trendlog builder. Now on my second Trendlog builder, I'm going to go ahead and load out the second trunk, its network segments. And then I can go ahead and hit the hotkey for this trunk once it's ready to get built. But I'm going to wait until there's at least 50 trends to build in a current builder before I hit the next hotkey. Don't want to interrupt anything that's running. Okay, now I hit the second hotkey. Okay, and I hit spacebar and it's building. And then this one, while this one's building, after it's started building the second one, I come down here and I hit the first hotkey. Okay. I don't want to hit build yet, just because I don't want to create any potential database errors. I just got everything set up, ready to go, looking good. Okay, there's 80 more logs on that first device. Now we're going to do the third script for this device range. Okay. Now I could go ahead and hit F12 if I wanted to and stop it, but I don't want to. I'm just going to let it go. Do its thing the whole way. Hit spacebar again, and it's building. Okay, first trunk done. Alright, second trunk. Come down here, hit spacebar. It's starting to build. Okay, so now I can go ahead and look. Got my first trunk's results all in. Everybody's looking good. All the boxes are there. Cool. So we're just going to open up another interface and we're going to set up this trunk while that trunk's building. Alright, great. This one's looking good. The host device is proper. The notification class is proper. Bottom one just finished round one. Get round two started for the bottom one. Hit spacebar. Okay, now that round two is building for the current one, we'll come up to our future. We're going to set up round one. If you only got 4 or 5 devices on your device range, that might not work for you though. So if you only got one device in your device range, you might just do a script, build it, do a script, build it. That's how I do my air handlers. Alright, script 2 done. Now script 3. Alright, just like that, we built 170 trends for that trunk, and that trunk is done. Okay, third trunk is being built underway. We'll close that again. Say okay. There it is. Cool. And multiple trend logs. We're going to set up the last trunk on this ACM that had VAVs at least. Okay. Alright, second script. Okay. So we're roughly averaging about 3,000 trends an hour with these built scripts. That would be probably about an ACM every 15 minutes or a trunk every 4 or 5 minutes, depending on how many devices are on that particular trunk. So it gets going pretty fast. Alright, great. And last trunk. Or let's just make sure there's no more VAV boxes on this ACM. Okay, looks like our next VAV box is on 2207. So we could go ahead and repeat this process for the whole site. And that would be great and all, but we've already done that at the job site. So this was more or less an instructional video for everybody. But the beauty is that anytime anyone who is using the MPK VAV application on any site and wants to build these 10 trends for them, we got a system that's already developed, needs no modification. They just need to go ahead, put in the range, and then hit the start button. Okay, and the last one. All right, well, let's see how did our results come out. I'm going to sort the logs by name. I can see a very nice and organized list. Go ahead and look through and be like, oh, where's VAV number 9? It's probably hosted on a different device, or it doesn't exist, or whatever happens to be the situation. Oh, it's got a different name on it. There it is. So it's got this prefix in the name. So there you have it, Trendlog automation. Hope you guys enjoy. Give me a call if you got any questions. Thanks.